Hi guys, in this video I will show you the third pattern of my series which I started. So in this video I will show you how you can print multiple stars on your console screen without wasting any time. Just start it. First of all, include hash directories in your C++. Include iostream. Now you can use using namespace std and int main. We will just print two variables, and with the help of these variables I will show you can print multiple stars on your console screen. So first of all I will use for loop for int I equal to 1, terminate sign, and I less than or equal to 5, terminate again, and I increment. Now within the body of this loop I will use another for loop for int j equal to 1, terminate j less than or equal to 5, and then j increment. And guys, in these curly brackets I will use cout statement for printing my stars. Okay, I will print star over here and terminate it. Now after this I can use cout as well, cout and end line. So save it and check it. There is some error. Yeah, I have used comma over here. Save it again. There is some issue which I have to solve it. So there is error, no match for operators, operand are. Okay, I did not use multiple signs. Now run it. As you can see here, I have debugged my program and in print multiple stars on my screen. So inshallah this pattern will be continued in my next video, and I will show you how you can create another pattern. So please watch my videos and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.